CDL preparation and practice tests. Hello folks, welcome to this lesson on CDL preparation and practice tests. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on preparing for your commercial driver's license CDL exam. Whether you're a new driver or looking to renew your CDL, this lesson will cover essential strategies for test preparation, including practice tests and endorsement preparations such as hazardous materials, hazmat, and tanker endorsements. Understanding the CDL exam. The CDL exam is a vital step for anyone aspiring to drive commercial vehicles in the United States. This exam ensures that drivers possess the necessary skills and knowledge to operate heavy vehicles safely and effectively. The exam generally consists of two parts, a written knowledge test and a skills test, which includes vehicle inspection, basic control, and road tests. Written knowledge test. General knowledge covers the basics of operating a commercial vehicle, including vehicle controls, emergency procedures, and safe driving practices. Air brakes, essential for those driving vehicles with their brake systems. It covers how these systems work and how to identify potential failures. Combination vehicles. Focuses on the operation of trucks that tow trailers, an essential section for those seeking a Class A license. Skills test. Vehicle inspection. Candidates must demonstrate a pre-trip inspection process identifying mechanical, safety, and fluid checks. Basic vehicle control. Involves maneuvers such as straight-line backing, offset backing, and parallel parking. On-road test. Assesses the driver's ability to operate the vehicle safely in various traffic conditions. CDL practice tests. Practice tests are indispensable tools for CDL exam preparation. They help candidates familiarize themselves with the format and type of questions they will encounter on the exam. Here are some strategies for making the most of these practice tests. Regular practice. Consistent practice helps reinforce knowledge and improve recall during the actual test. Simulate real testing conditions. Time yourself and practice in a quiet environment to mimic the testing experience. Review wrong answers. Analyze mistakes to understand where you went wrong and focus your study on those areas. Several online resources offer free and paid practice tests, providing an excellent opportunity to gauge your preparedness. Preparing for endorsements. In addition to the standard CDL, drivers can obtain endorsements that qualify them to handle specialized commercial tasks. Common endorsements include hazardous materials hazmat endorsement. Transporting hazardous materials requires additional certification due to the potential danger associated with these materials. Preparation involves studying regulations and safety measures related to hazmat transport.
Understand regulations. Familiarize yourself with federal and state regulations governing the transportation of hazmat. Safety practices. Study safe loading, handling, and emergency response procedures for hazardous materials. Security threat assessment. Be prepared for background checks and fingerprinting as part of obtaining this endorsement. Tanker endorsement. Necessary for drivers transporting liquids or gases in bulk containers. You must learn about specific handling and safety measures associated with tanker vehicles. Vehicle dynamics. Understand how liquid in a tank affects vehicle stability and stopping distances. Emergency procedures. Study how to manage emergencies specific to tankers, including rollovers and leaks. Study tips. Effective study habits are crucial for success in both the standard CDL exam and any endorsements. Create a study schedule. Allocate specific times for study sessions and stick to the routine. Use multiple resources. Enhance your learning with books, online courses, and videos. Group study. Join study groups to benefit from peer learning and support. Seek professional training. Enroll in a driving school that offers focused training, especially if pursuing specialized endorsements. Here's a summary. CDL preparation and practice tests. To obtain a commercial driver's license CDL for tractor trailers, drivers must prepare for the written and skills tests. Key aspects include 1. CDL classification and endorsements. Understanding CDL classifications Class A, B, C and endorsements e.g. tanker, hazmat, 2. Study materials and resources. Utilizing study guides, online resources, and practice tests to prepare for the written test. 3. Written test preparation. Focusing on areas such as vehicle safety inspections, hours of service, and hazardous materials regulations. 4. Skills test preparation. Practicing vehicle inspections, basic vehicle control, and on-road driving. 5. Practice tests and simulations. Taking practice tests and simulations to assess knowledge and identify areas for improvement. 6. CDL test-taking strategies. Developing strategies for taking the written and skills tests, including time management and question-answering techniques. Effective CDL preparation and practice tests help tractor-trailer drivers pass the written and skills tests on the first attempt. Develop a strong understanding of commercial vehicle operations and safety regulations. Build confidence and competence in operating a tractor-trailer. Advance their careers and increase earning potential. Ensure compliance with federal and state regulations.
Here's a summary: understanding the CDL exam for tractor-trailers. The Commercial Driver's License CDL exam is a comprehensive assessment of a driver's knowledge, skills, and abilities to operate a tractor-trailer safely and efficiently. Key aspects of the exam include: 1. Written test, a multiple-choice test covering topics such as vehicle safety inspections, hours of service regulations, hazardous materials regulations, air brake systems. 2. Skills test, a hands-on test evaluating a driver's ability to inspect the vehicle, perform basic vehicle control maneuvers, drive on a designated route. 3. Pre-trip inspection test, a test evaluating a driver's ability to conduct a thorough pre-trip inspection of the vehicle. 4. Endorsement tests, additional tests for specialized endorsements such as tanker endorsement, hazmat endorsement, double, triple trailer endorsement. To pass the CDL exam, tractor-trailer drivers must demonstrate a strong understanding of commercial vehicle operations and safety regulations, showcase their skills and abilities in operating a tractor-trailer, meet the eligibility requirements and medical standards for CDL holders, complete the required training and testing for their specific CDL classification and endorsements. Here's a summary: hazardous materials hazmat endorsement. The hazardous materials hazmat endorsement is a specialized credential for tractor-trailer drivers who transport hazardous materials. Key aspects include: 1. Hazmat regulations and guidelines, understanding federal and state regulations as well as industry guidelines for transporting hazardous materials. 2. Hazmat classification and identification, identifying and classifying hazardous materials, including proper labeling and placarding. 3. Safe handling and transportation practices, following safe handling and transportation practices, including loading, unloading, and securing hazardous materials. 4. Emergency procedures and response, knowing emergency procedures and response protocols in case of an incident or accident involving hazardous materials. 5. Security and safety protocols, implementing security and safety protocols to prevent unauthorized access or tampering with hazardous materials. To obtain a hazmat endorsement, tractor-trailer drivers must meet the eligibility requirements and background check standards, complete a hazmat training program approved by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration (FMCSA), pass a written exam on hazmat regulations and safety practices, maintain a valid CDL with a hazmat endorsement. The hazmat endorsement ensures that tractor-trailer drivers are equipped to safely transport hazardous materials and respond to emergencies. Conclusion: preparing for the CDL exam and any additional endorsements requires dedication and thorough preparation. By understanding the structure of the exam, utilizing practice tests, and learning the specifics of endorsements like hazmat and tanker, candidates can improve their chances of success. Remember, safety and knowledge are paramount when operating commercial vehicles. Good luck on your journey to becoming a licensed commercial driver. Thank you for taking this lesson on CDL preparation and practice tests. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of trucking.